What's going on, guys? Eric from TheWiscoGuyz here, and in today's video we're going to be going to a car show in Glidden, Wisconsin, just to see what's there. Actually, a car club down in Glidden puts it on, and they're pretty much Mopar guys, if I remember right. So they got a lot of older Mopar, like Challengers and Dusters and shit. So we're gonna go down there. We went there last year, and I tried to do a live video, but it turned out to be potato quality. So if you want to watch the potato quality, I'll link it up here in the corner. So if you want to watch it, it's fine. It was live. It was really bad, but I'm gonna film it this year just because how bad it was last year because of the potato quality. Like I said, I tried to go live, didn't have enough service, and it didn't turn out good. It looked good as I was doing it, but it didn't turn out good. So we're gonna head out now. I just went to the car wash just real quick. I haven't driven this car since the Eagle River car show, so it's good to go. But we're gonna get some gas, and then we're gonna meet up with the guys from the Bay Area Tuners, and then head out with them. So alrighty, check in with you once we get to some point. Alrighty, getting all set up now, about to head out. Looks like it's gonna be a good day, so alrighty, we'll check in with you once we get all lined up at the car show. Maybe I'll get a couple clips going down, but we'll see what happens. Alrighty, guys, check in. Alrighty, so got the car all in there. So Jordan, who's got that Camaro there, pointed out to me that I had a bolt loose on the throttle body. He's like, is this thing running rough? I'm like, no. Ended up being this bolt right down here. The throttle body ended up being loose, so thanks to Jordan, that didn't fall out or come out and start running bad. And all I told him was stupid 20-year-old me not tightening stuff down. So but yeah, it's a pretty good turnout so far. A lot of cars. I like how they do it, where they put you in your own class. You kind of go down and you vote. So, but yeah, everything's looking to turn out pretty good. Got the T-tops off, looking good. Got the vehicle identification form filled out. So we're just gonna walk around. They got all the classes in rows, like I said. So we'll start with, I think it's A class, and then let's take a look here. There, we have the B class. Oh. All the Tri-5s. Gosh, this one looks good.
Hey, look at this lady. She'd like a picture. I can't get your dress that way. Remember those? All right, get ready for the picture. Put your hands on your hips. See your poodle. So you can see that. That's so cute. Stay tuned. Ooh, I like that color.
We got C class. Holy cow. A lot of nice cars here today, that's for sure. That is gorgeous. Don't start with me. They do that at work to me all the time, and I can't get them back either.
I do that too at work all the time.
Plymouth GTX. Well, these are really nice.
First 4 speeds probably got 350.
Oh, this Mustang now. I love this blue. Gosh, I almost bought one of these in not a fastback. It was a coupe. It was black. Yeah, wasn't that expensive either, but and I bought out $289. Yeah, look at this here. That is cool. That's awesome. Oldsmobile Cutlass, I believe. Yes, it's nice. Love the scoops in the front. That looks good. Yeah. AMC Javelin. Ooh. That is nice. T-Bird. And that pink. We got a Duster. This is pretty good too. Wow, look at that color. Wow. Got a 78 Trans Am. Wow.
Dad's got to hold something
Old Monte Carlo. Okay, 70. Is that here? 79? 70. Yep. This is cool. Hurstolds W30. You don't see very many of these T-top car. That swivel bucket too. Oh. Yeah. That's pretty awesome. That's pretty nice. Oh, yeah. Bandit Special. Yeah. This 4-speed car too. Wow. My cousin's got a 79 301 T-top car. It's supposed to have this paint code, everything. I think it's the W31 paint code, but not quite sure on that. But oh man, Jamie, sell me yours so I can do this. That'd be sweet. I got I think this is a Plymouth Duster, 344 barrel car. Very nice. talked to this guy quite a bit. It was F-Class is the class that I'm in. It's an 87 Firebird 305 TBI car, auto. I think it's an auto. Pretty sure. Yeah, auto car. And he did graphics from like a 78 Firebird, he was telling me. And it looks great. I like it. I like what he did. Got the big bird on the hood. Looks good. And we got, see, this needs to be appreciated more. These Pontiacs that nobody saved. I mean, this thing's immaculate. Nobody saved them, so it's nice to see one. 3.1 liter V6 car. 29,000 original miles. That's crazy. Looks good though. That was, of course, me. We're good today. Want to say anything to the camera, Jordan?
Not a big camera talk.
That's fine. Sat in you sat for 6 years, you said? 8 years. So this car sat for 8 years. 94 Camaro, LT1 car. And it sat, and he saved it. So it's good to see. They're out there. You just got to find them and then save them. I've always had a soft spot for these cars. These Oldsmobile Cutlasses. It was the taillights that did it for me. I don't know why. Lightning rods. It's nice. And this is in the same class as a 99 Plymouth Prowler. It's crazy.
Oh, really? Okay, yeah. What do you think I should do with the license?
People that take videos of
I know.
See, I gotta get something
This
better.
one,
Something better for this.
you got your YouTube channel then, right?
Yep. She's even watched it.
I looked at it
Oh,
this
did you?
morning.
Did you?
Yeah,
Oh. Yeah.
but I didn't know it was you.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's
So
just
how long have you been doing that?
4 years.
Really?
Yeah.
At all the car shows or?
So just some, just whatever ones I feel like videotaping. This one I did live last year. I pulled up my phone and I did a live feed on it,
Oh,
but
you
it
did?
didn't turn out very well because it didn't have good enough service.
Yeah.
So I was like, this year I'll film it. Yeah, sometimes I'll go to like Tomahawk and Eagle River I went to, and
Those are pretty big shows.
yeah,
aren't
those
they?
are huge. Tomahawk's like 300 plus cars.
No shit.
Yeah, that is cool.
Yeah. And it's cool that I work at the place where this car came from.
But when the car came, you were home in the crib.
I wasn't even born yet.
I was gonna say you weren't even in the crib. You weren't even in the nursery.
I was born in '86.
Alrighty, so that was F-Class. I was just talking to Bob for a little while about car shows, hot rod power tour, and everything like that. So, I was trying to get him to go on the Cruise for Cancer, but he's kind of, I don't think he was too interested in that one. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. But then they got the newer class here. So this is F-Class. This is 81 to 99. So, but then we got the newer cars here. It's pretty cool stuff. I followed this guy in. This is just too good. This manual car, so good. And this guy, this is super clean Audi V6. Wow. Yeah. Super. Pretty good stuff. Alrighty. H class, I think it's like street rods or something, or street machines, something like that. Oh, 4-speed on the floor. Good stuff. I like this one. It's got the rallies on it, old school rallies. This, I love this. This is one you're like,
Yeah. It's
run on a dirt road, you don't give a shit, just floor it.
Yeah. I like how it's got cutlass mags in the front.
I know. When you put the SS center caps in it, just, this is the stuff I like. Just make it your own, you know.
You should have went and bought that car that Donnie Livingston had.
Which one was that?
He had a 72 Chevelle heavy Chevy.
Oh, really?
He let it go for $5,000. Had the original motor and everything.
Jeez. That's cheap.
Yeah. All the fun race car things. You know that Willys that he has?
Mm-mm.
He's got a 37 Willys. It's for sale.
Really?
Yeah, the Dodge dealership in Duluth is going to give him $35,000 for it. Because he needs a truck now.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, jeez. Oh. Good stuff. This is nice. Just gleaming. I love the red flake in it. Look at that. Oh. This thing rolled in and I just drooling over it. He starts backing in. I think it said an 04 Silverado engine. I guess 5.3, and it's got a 6-speed manual in it too. So just perfect. It's like a little tweaking. Just, I don't know. I gotta swap my stuff here eventually. I got Bob's Chevelle. We were just talking to him. Always gorgeous. 427 4-speed car. But it's actually a 5-speed now. Switched it to a 5-speed so he wasn't revving so high on the freeways. Yeah. And this rolled in. And it had that 5.0 badge on it. Oh, that's crazy. Oh, just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Okay, guys, what do you think? Coyote swapped Firebird? Maybe. I've been geeking on the idea, but I don't know, after seeing this, I think she'd fit. Wish I had a tape measure, but I think she'd fit. Looks good though. It's really good. So this is like customs. Pretty sure. This red is just gorgeous. Yeah, good stuff. Good stuff. And then this. What year is this? 69 or 70? 70.
Oh, no, that ain't bubbly. I don't think Timmy sold her yet. No,
Good stuff.
that ain't bubbly.
Big 460s, like the gentleman's muscle car. under the radar. Hey. I got Zach's Eclipse. Little project he's been working on. He'll get it. He wants to repaint it, but I'm like, no, let's just get a bumper for it and paint the bumper to match and be good to go. That's what I'd do. You know? Kit looks good. Maybe a little different wheel setup, but and then Nick's Jurassic Park Mercedes actually looks pretty good. I think he's got decals on order. So, well, I got the Honda Civic hatchback. Looking good. And then these. Oof. Some old Oldsmobiles. I love this front end on these. The sealed beam. Or not the sealed beam, but the halogen headlights. It's got also got this one too. Oh, just good stuff. This Fairlane looks really good too. Oh. Alrighty, got like the street rods class. This is cool. This is really cool. This would be fun to drive. Now we got convertible class. This thing is just gorgeous. Old Impala. I got, I don't know what the class is. This is like a Corvette class? I don't know. I don't know what class this is, but looks good. 454 car proof. Look at that, all metallic, all. Wow. Like a diamond in there.
Hey, how you doing?
Not too bad. Wow. This is just gorgeous. We got one more of that over here. A Grand Sport? Can't remember what model these are, but love the color on that too. Mountain Dew Wrangler. This would be fun to take on the trails. Well, I got this old Chevy Apache 10 with a camper hooked up to it. That's pretty sweet. We got generally perfect. Love seeing it. Big 440 in there.
My labor on diesel alone. Are the doors welded?
I don't know. Pretty cool. Got tetanus. That's pretty cool. Rat rod. Courtney's Honda. All right. Got this just rolled in. This is gorgeous. F1 Ford. I don't know if it's chopped or not, but looks really good. Purple interior too. Purple wheels with the baby moons. So this is the truck class. This one just rolled in pretty recent too. Nice C10. Looking pretty good. 3 on the tree. Holy. Ford. This too. You don't see these very often. Lincoln Mark LT 06. We got Chevy 36 Apache. Scottsdale C10 Chevy. Smells like it should. Actually, it smells like my old grandpa's truck. Oh, I used to sit in the backyard. Wow, that brought back some memories. So these are the guys that put on the show. They're Mopar guys for sure. They paint all these and everything, get them all hopped up. Just looking good. Looks really good. And just looking good. Ooh, old Bronco. Ooh. But yeah, so these are the guys that put on the show. This is nice. This is really nice. Just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Looks really good. And this thing rolled in. Oof. Looking really good. Push button. Oh, that's crazy. That's really crazy. So yeah, these are the guys that put on the show. So thanks guys. It's a good show so far. It's noon now, so alrighty. Check in with you. Get closer to the judging. I gotta go judge, like, see what I'm gonna pick for these cars. So we'll see what happens.